Ho ho ho! Welcome to December 17th, and this is the 17th day of the Makita Advent Calendar unboxing. It's the 2025 calendar. So far, we've gotten the storage case, 3 different drill bit sets, 4-piece socket set, snap-off knife, screwdriver T-handle, Makita shoelaces, Makita LED flashlight, 3 bit sets, 2 cookie cutters, a level, and a Makita keyring. Let's see what we're getting in number 17. Here we got a small hex key set, and this of course there is room for in the box, and we'll put that in there for tomorrow's video. Follow us to see number 18.